Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another practice. Lower body for today. I will use this kind of resistant band. We will do some conditioning for our hips, legs and core. So let's begin. First we'll do some quick and easy warm-up, and then we'll add some strength. Bring your elbows on the ground, lower back should be straight. Point your left leg and slowly just bend your knee and rotate towards the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Switch. Right, go straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. From here, slide down, grab your left knee, push it towards the chest. 3, 2, hold. 1, switch right, bring it towards your chest. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Relax, bring your head on the floor. From here, bend your both legs, bring your heels together, push towards the side, and from here just close and open a few times. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. From here, raise your heels off the ground higher. Grab your knees and push them towards the floor. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Bring your right leg towards the left side and stretch a little bit your lower back. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Then back. Open your right leg first. First push. Grab your knees, push down, and then bring your left knee towards the right and stretch. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Then up we continue. Grab this resistance band. Mine I think is around like 5 to 10 kg resistance, not more, but you can see according to your body strength you can take like more stronger one. Fix it here first, then lie down, keep your legs straight. From here we'll start opening our legs towards the side 10 times. Keep your knees straight, engage your core, try to not arch your lower back, try to not push from any other muscles, try to use just only your hips and buttocks. Go. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. Keep your legs straight, knees straight. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bend your legs on the ground and rest. Inhale deeply and exhale. One more. Good job. Next one. Raise your legs. Again, open and push a little bit. Keep pushing. Then from here, just bend your legs and then open them back. In the same time, keep pushing towards the side. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7. You can feel how your glutes and hips are working. 8, 9, one more, 10, and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bend your legs, bring them on the ground, breathe. Deep inhale and an exhale. One more. Good job. We continue. Now we will add difficulty. If you cannot do the third one, you can just skip, or you can try to do it maybe with one leg, but it will be not so efficient. What I'm talking about: straight legs, pushing a little bit towards the side, keep your legs straight, raise your head, straight arms, and then slowly we are lowering our legs forward, back, and then push towards the side. And again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slowly, 7. When you lower them forward, you need to push side. 8, 9, 10. Hold here, push towards the side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Relax a little bit, breathe. One more deep inhale and exhale. Okay, go ahead, we continue. The next one will be keep your legs straight, push towards the side, and then from here, bend them towards the chest and back. In the same time, pushing towards the side. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, good job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Straight legs on the ground, relax, relax. Deep inhale. Then exhale. Next one, rotate your pelvis, raise your both legs, head, and we start to bend only one. 1, then switch right. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Relax. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Then bend your legs. Bring your resistance band lower. Here. Keep your legs straight, raise them up. Then from here, we will do one by one. We'll push towards the floor. One, you keep straight, fully engaged. Engage your lower back core. Keep it tight. You should not move your right one. And then left one, just push down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe. 5, 6. Go ahead. 7. Awesome. 8, 9, 10. Good. Bend your legs, bring them on the ground, and release. Inhale, then exhale. One more. Then we switch. Straight legs up. Then now we hold the left one, the right push towards the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it tight, keep it straight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Back, release. The next one will be straight legs up, and then we will just switch both of them. 3, 2, 1 up. Then we start from left. First left, then right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Release. Deeply inhale. Okay, last one for this series. Bring your resistance band lower than your knees, then legs together. From here, rotate, engage your pelvis, raise it off the ground, and we start to push our knees towards the side. 1, 2. In the same time, keep pushing your lower back up. Sorry, too low, I think. Too low. Go up, and we continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Higher. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold this position for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly release. Good job. Take out your resistance band. Let's stretch a little bit our hips. From here, just sit down, open your knees wider. If you can, try to bring your butt on the ground. If you cannot, you can put some pillow, or you can use a yoga block or anything else you have at home. Relax a little bit, bring your arms on your knees, and then from here, look, try to rotate your pelvis forward and backward, forward and backward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push as much as you can from your pelvis forward and just hold for a couple of seconds. 3, 2, 1. From here, left arm goes on the heel, right arm on your left knee, and then twist towards the side. Exhale. Switch, and one more. Good job. Nice and easy down facing dog. Straight your legs. Breathe. 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Thank you. Nice and easy. Hope you enjoy. Hope you like it. You can like, subscribe, share. Do something for your health, for your body. Stay strong. Keep working. Bye bye.